Bridging that way you say. So me want to know what the streets have to say.
You would mind a jacket?
Never.
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 So the youth and the mother have to just
Dig off. For them face have to get kick off.
Wagwan peeps, say done here boy Jnel. Welcome back to our next episode of Streets Say. We'll find out what the streets have to say, not what Jnel have to say. So today, we're there after 3 and more ask the people them, would you mind a youth after you find out 15 years of hard work, trials, tribulations, send you go to school, can't find the money, sacrifices and them little thing there. Would you still take care of the youth? It's a very touchy topic. We're there in the streets of after 3. This is what the streets have to say. Because it's not about what me have to say. You get to me and say, so let's start the show. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, my Jenna, you see me? So the question for the day is, you would mind a jacket?
Never.
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 Why you say that?
No responsibility for that. I know my DNA that's it nah nothing to do with me though.
It don't go on but still 15 years old by year. You can't stop after so long.
Yeah.
I lie me there.
So you say you just continue and just like regular.
I done my youth already.
So regarding the mother now, if you and the mother still good, like we don't have a great relationship.
No, man, I go good man.
Yes,
Me and the youth I go good.
Yeah.
Yeah. But me and the mother now go good.
So I make sure you know say you watch now. Right, I say it done in the car.
But me keep the link with the youth.
You keep the youth.
Can we come and come successful and we have,
Yeah.
Yes, say. It depends, it depends. Cause if she treat me good on top of the youth,
yeah.
Well, after 15 years of my youth, dog, really and truly, you see?
Yeah.
I mean, I go just say, yo, I go come out of your life, just to find out in years.
Yeah.
Just find out the O's and adapt you from them, you see?
Okay, so that basically you just adapt the youth and just know say, yo, I've been at the job and some, might as well just continue.
Because I can feel like I would have foolishness, dog, for just, you see? Come out of your life just to find out say, man, I got hurt. But I know your fault say, man, you see me?
Yeah.
And the woman's fault, I cut off the woman and...
Okay. I mean, I ask you, what if you and I have such a perfect relationship? We know it's not perfect because of what going on, but what if in the time when you find out you and I have such a perfect relationship, soulmate settings and them little things, that still break up same way?
Me feel like if 15 years ago you cheap on me and you been good to me and I find out say, yo, yeah, you see me?
Yeah.
It depends, cause I can't trust you after you cheap on me, you see me? I can't go trust you.
But you been trust her from after that, and you just never know.
True enough, but like, no, that, I can't.
You just call it quits.
Yeah, man, I keep it pick me though, but like, I feel like I can keep on woman when I know say cheap on me, like, I'm not cool with that at all.
You would have mind a jacket?
No. Well, if me have the money, me not support the woman, but me not take up the responsibility.
You say you not take up the responsibility, and I hear thing that.
No, that's not my thing.
So what if you find out after 15 years, after you and the wife good, and the youth are go to school and them a do good and...
Well, me see that happen already, and people have to refund back money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them carry them a court and them have to refund back some money or something. Some money that just make that go on, you know?
Yeah. So you would make it go on?
Well, me not just look over that still. I know so you don't spend the money and over that.
Yeah.
Some man in a create crime, some man in do all type of thing.
Yeah.
But me not just look over that, you know? I know so you spend the money and that's how it goes.
Alright. Yeah, my general, so the question for the day, right? The question for the day, you don't mind a jacket?
Depends.
For what?
How me get the jacket?
Yeah. Depends on how you get the jacket.
Yeah, depends on how me get
So what if you find out after 15 years?
Well, if I find out, I still have to live with it because we didn't just start mine it. So, I was a crisis. You understand me? Some of the father yourself in a trap and we have to know to walk out.
True.
See, so it's just like that.
But some people are say, yo, the mother and the jacket have to go on.
Well, depends. That is the thing what I'm saying. It depends on the crisis. Suppose the person can live with it.
Yes.
We just live with it. If we can't live with it, we do without it. That is my saying. Right?
Alright, I'm going to share what going on with the jacket thing, you know. You see, if you're there at the spot where you just find out the youth born already, and you find out say a jacket and you done start mind the youth already, continue mind that youth, because you don't know what the future, that youth can turn around, come take care of you.
Yeah.
That I have to tell all of the fathers them.
So even for 15 years, you find out after 15 years.
Yeah, you continue play the role same way. Cause don't feel like say you gotta give up on the youth when you find out say a jacket. Just keep on play the same role where you play, cause you don't know what can happen down the line. You see me? So that's how I see it.
You would have mind a jacket?
Jaja. It kind of rough, you know, bro. It kind of complicated too, cause guess what? You will breed a girl, you think a year and a baby when, and the baby reach all 5, 6, 7, and you find out a jacket, bro, it's kind of hard for depart. You understand where I come from?
Yeah.
Kind of hard for depart. Worse if the baby father, the child father die, boy, I better just go and do it and done, my boss. You see me? Cause God good have seen you, dog. You see me? I watch people and say, oh, my mind jacket, and God good have seen you. Cause long time you do it, and the baby really need help. You understand where I come from, G? So it depends the situation and the consequence, my brother. You see me?
No, man.
Why?
Because if you go mind a jacket now, DNA test, got me help for DNA test.
So you just do a DNA test
Yeah, man.
before. But what if everything will go perfect, she live with you, nothing will go wrong, and after 15 years, you find out, say, the youth and the year one.
I know she have just pack up her things and leave.
Both of them? Even for 15 years?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Of course, I have to get back money, man.
So you say you want back every dollar?
Yeah, man. Even for $1 though.
Yeah.
I want it back.
You want it
Because if I go waste money, so no, I want my life waste because I'm not a pitney.
Eh, I don't mind a jacket.
Yeah.
No, I don't mind a jacket.
What make?
Because I'm a youth. I'm not enough to buy a jacket.
Yeah. So you say once in a year youth, you know nothing to do with that?
No, nothing to do with it.
Alright, the next question, right? What if you find out after 15 years, sweat, tears, and whole heap of sacrifice, and them not good thing, sleepless night, and then you find out, say, the youth in a year?
Boy, a wicked thing that's still no man. You see me? I feel safe that in a garden.
You just left in a garden?
Yeah.
So what you would have do?
I mean, I don't swear, brother. I don't know. No. Swear to God. But it's a fuck up still. You see, if you mind a youth from when I barely to 15, rough.
Yeah.
You see, maybe I'll continue mind it and done.
Yeah, the continue mind and done?
Yeah.
Sure. And you and the mother had a good see me.
Eh?
You and the mother had a good see me.
Boy, me even know where you're part of, but as I say, yo, it fuck up, see, if you're a youth from baby to 15 years old, and you find out in a year youth that, a wicked thing that.
What if you find out after 15 years that the kid's not yours?
Well, after 15 years, so she's lied to me about it this whole time? Oh yeah, she gotta go. The hoe gotta go. That's just what it is. You know what I'm saying?
So what about the kid?
Hey, it's called casualties of war. Sometimes, you know what, you can't let a child, the situation with a child, keep you trapped in a situation that is a lie.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And where evil was done. True. Because guess what? You teach those kids an evil lesson as well. All right, so you have to come out and say, hey, what your mother did to me was wrong, X, Y, and Z. I'm not saying that you abandon the child, but as far as me and your mother being together as a husband and a wife, that can't be. You know what I'm saying? Because she came into the marriage deceitfully. You know what I'm saying? And the Bible says, Leviticus 19:11, we shouldn't deal deceitfully one with another. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, definitely have to end that.
I ask some other people and they must say, yo, no, sir, all for 15 years after I find out, man, the youth have to go on.
But they must say 15 years, so that means when the youth, that means that the youth big. But what if the youth that 5 years and 6 years small and him lose him father? They just go and do it and done. God bless your father. But them a watch people and say, what time I want jacket? Them not no sense, bro. Believe me, my dog. You see me? It depends. I tell you if you use your money, my jacket still, you know. But boy, it's rough.
Would you mind a jacket after 15 years of hard work you make sure so the youth go school and them little thing there?
I mean, after 15 years, I might as well continue.
Yeah.
Just if I just accept what it is.
Yeah.
But I cut off the mother though.
You know, definitely cut her off.
Yeah, she would have to leave, but you can't just cut left for you just like that. You see me? Cause my father never did it for me, you see me?
Jano, every time you hear them story, you know, bro, like the father story, dog. Fathers don't do better, no, man.
Yeah, so and my stepfather really raised me till me about 14 or so. So me would want to cut left for youth when I have him father either.
Yeah.
So most definitely that's what me would do.
Yeah. So what if you find out after 15 years, say? After 15 years done gone already, sweat, tears, sacrifice and everything there, you wouldn't mind it?
No, bro, no, I wouldn't mind it after. No.
So you say, I just
eat that.
So the youth and the mother have to just
dig off before them face have to get kick off. Yeah, man.
You the one, man.
Real thing, man.
Yeah. You said none at all.
None at all.
So what if you and I have a perfect relationship? Yeah, bro, big up. You and I have a perfect relationship. Everything will go smooth. You do good in the school and everything.
I done with them said way because 15 years said, oh, 15 years that out of betrayal.
Yeah.
You see me, sir? Can't work with that, my boss.
It depends on how long.
Depends on how long.
Yeah.
So basically, after 15 years, you go find out, say, Jano, that you tell mine, you know. What you do?
If me a man from him born to 15 years, better I just adapt him and done.
Yeah.
You see me? I done invest a lot in him already, so why not?
So what we going for the mother?
We just have to just explain herself. You see me?
So you feel like you can trust her after 15 years, she not tell you and she probably have a feeling, say, she probably know. You understand? Because you know when a woman knows, say they might do wrongs, you know. You see me? So after 15 years, you feel like, say, that still give her a chance, see me?
Rough. You
know, what if you say, because you and I probably do a whole heap and accomplish a whole heap of things for the youth, you know?
You see me? I never in another position, so I can't speak on it.
Yeah.
You see me? But if me have a youth, a 15 year or more, and I'm fine out and I'm my youth, I just still do me for as a pops, you see me?
After 15 years, and it's not mine, y'all have the internet here in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
You can find a lot of information about who your actual father is on the internet. True. If you look it up, you can go get DNA, go to the court system, you can find out. So,
you know, with Jamaica, the system here is not like, it's not gonna be like in the United States. You know what I mean?
Yeah, explain that.
Trust me.
Yeah, what's that mean?
All right. The reason why I said that, in Jamaica, you know, in the United States, it's easy to track people, to track anything like this guy can commit this crime today and they find him by later. In Jamaica, it's not like that.
Yeah. So you're saying to identify the baby's father,
it's gonna be a huge problem.
Well, you know, the thing is that our sisters have to learn that's their responsibility before they open up their legs to every man. True. Guess what? They should take accountability of those things.
No, I wear jacket now. I don't mind jacket now, bro. Yeah. So I mind jacket. I mind gold. You see me? I say, I don't mind jacket.
Yeah. No jacket.
No jacket.
So what if you find out after 15 years of hard work, sacrifice and them thing, they carry you go school and them little thing there? What if you find out 15 years after, say, yo, honor your youth?
Life goes on, you know, you see me? A lot of persons get like really upset about it, but I mean, who wanna fault? You see me? I say, I'll just check DNA. You have no free places out there. Right now, it should be a must. When a youth born, you check, you see me? I say.
So people make DNA testing at birth mandatory, you hear that?
Yeah, mandatory for real. Cause I mean, why? You don't know still, bro. When I get upset at first, anybody get upset. Yeah. And some people get upset and do things. They get me and say.
True.
But if you have all of that, I better wanna just check. No, I'm not mind a jacket. You see
it? Is straight up now?
Unless a jacket, remember say a jacket that's something you don't know about it. Unless she tell us, Ray, is a next man youth, you can go to Bam and put in a support, you see it? But if you breed her and she say, well, you're a youth and Ray, I'm not going to run with the false thing, you understand? Yeah. So she have to come clean and make me know, say, yeah, I know my youth, and I could still put a support same way. But for the fact say, she give me a false, say, my youth, and I say, yeah, my youth. No, mood
even for 15 years, at them time they have finance.
15 years kind of long still. So it had done gone already. You just have to know, say, right then, the youth that rate you know, 15 years, because 15 is a big youth. You see me, the youth that rate you same way. So
I know, say you are daddy.
Just work with it, because you don't spend the money already and you live same way, you have life. So you just have to give thanks and know, say, yeah.
So, what would I go on with she now?
She? Maybe I would talk to her already, but I still know the youth and respect him same way. Youth that respect you for the 15 years, then when you're dead for him and Ray, you see it?
Yeah.
So, either way, that work out, but on the spot, you're not going to work with that, you see it? As a real G.
Yeah.
But you know the woman is there nowadays. You see me? Dog tell the girls are jokes.
I'm wrong, I'm right.
Right.
You're rough, my G, because you can't say your mind jacket, your mind a youth is not your own, and God bless your father, you get more blessing.
Yeah.
I never lie. You understand? So, boy, I do it, I tell you straight.
Yeah.
But in a certain circumstances, brother, I'm say the girl have her baby father and the youth have a father for real. Want your father. But if the youth father did dead and me did dead, I have to just go and dead the father. I'm wrong, I'm right.
So we are say, so basically if she and the father, you and I are linked now.
Yeah.
The father they both film business. Yeah, make sure you know say yo, watch you know. Carry the youth go. Make him know him father. And
yeah, bro, the youth deserve to know him father. But if the father dead now and me did that do it, me can't just go step aside so that I'll God would have screw up him for that. True. If you understand me.
True.
But when the father dead, make the father go and do it. I will find out Sir Jacket. Make the father go and do it, man. A fact me talking a life, my father.
So why if the father go and do it? You and her that left?
Me and her done, man. She just go and continue her life and do the right thing, bro. You see me? Do the right thing. I'll find out Sir Jacket and think. Do the right thing.
Alright people, thank you guys for watching. You done your boy Jnel again. You see me? And this is Street Say. So no one know what me have to say? They can't know what me have to say because it's about Street Say and about what me have to say. You get me? I say someone thank you guys for watching. You get me? Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know what I mean, and check out the other videos them. Some trick questions and some vlog. You see me? I'm wanting to go check out my vlog channel also because me there have vlog too. Hold on. They have vlog too. You get me? I say someone wanting to do the right. Go check out my vlog channel which is Jnel Vlogs. You see me? So thank you guys for watching. You done your boy Jnel. And as usual, I'm out.